Experience the perfect blend of comfort and convenience in this immaculate 5-year-old mobile home situated in the heart of Campbell River. Showing like new, this property is a pristine haven designed for those who appreciate quality and an immaculate, well-maintained new build. Ideally located close to serene river trails of the Campbell River and the breathtaking Elk Falls, offering easy access to nature's finest views. The home has a beautifully fenced yard for privacy and a space for relaxation. The home boasts contemporary finishes with a spacious layout that promotes comfortable and stylish living. This property is a gem for those looking to enjoy the tranquility of nature while having the convenience of city amenities nearby. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or looking to downsize, this mobile home offers a unique living experience in a sought-after area. Don't miss the chance to own this beautiful home where every detail is taken care of. Contact us today for a tour and see for yourself why this home is an exceptional place to live.